We're going to go ahead and skip over number 5. Let's take a look at number 6. Now, number 6, you have some issues because notice you do not have a 0 on the right-hand side. So my first step is going to have to be to subtract the 7 on both sides of the inequality. And again, like I mentioned, you need to make sure you condense this down to a single fraction before you can identify those critical numbers. So I'm going to have to rewrite each term with a common denominator, which is x. So I have to take x and multiply by an x over x, which will give me an x squared over x. 12 over x already has the LCD, minus 7x over x, which is less than 0. So I can combine this now into one large fraction. Again, I'm going to put it in standard form of x squared minus 7x plus 12, all over x less than 0. So once you have a 0 on the right-hand side and you have added and subtracted and condensed this to a single fraction, now what you want to do in order to identify the critical numbers, first of all, you have to set the numerator equal to 0, which means I'm going to have to factor this. So when I factor x squared minus 7x plus 12, that's going to give me an x minus 4 times x minus 3, all over x less than 0. So when I set my numerator equal to 0, my critical numbers are going to be 4 and 3. When I set my denominator equal to 0, that's going to give me a 0. So now I'm going to do my number line test. So here's 0, 3, and 4. Again, I'm checking to see where this particular inequality is less than 0. So none of these critical numbers are going to be included in my solution set. So again, I need to check my numbers, pick a number in each interval, so I'll pick -1. Again, you're always going to plug it back into the factored form where you've condensed it. So I plug -1 in, I have a -1 minus 4, which is a negative, -1 minus 3, which is a negative, all over a negative. So a positive divided by a negative is a negative number. Pick a number between 0 and 3, which is 1. 1 minus 4 is negative. 1 minus 3 is negative, divided by a positive 1. So this is going to be positive between 0 and 3. Pick a number between 3 and 4, so I'll choose 3.5. 3.5 minus 4 is a negative number. 3.5 minus 3 is a positive number, all over a positive number. So this is negative. Pick a number greater than 4, so I'll choose 5. 5 minus 4 is positive. 5 minus 3 is a positive number. So the numerator is positive, over 5, which is positive. So this is positive. My solutions are going to occur when we're less than 0, so I'm looking for negative. So again, I know less than 0 is negative, and I know between 3 and 4 is negative. So my solution set will be all real numbers less than 0, then all real numbers between 3 and 4. So there's my solution to that particular inequality.